Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Before we start the nightcap, I want to mention the free prize draw I did about a fortnight ago. The views were tailing off. There was less and less people entering the draw. So what I did, rightly or wrongly, I put a rather provocative thumbnail up. I mean, to me it was quite a tasteful image of a woman's behind. It's the first time I've ever had people unsubscribed from your channel. There's 100 people unsubscribed, but the video's had 3 times the views and it's had 3 times as many entries, so I'm not quite sure what to do with it, to carry on doing it just for that one particular thing, which there's only 12 a year, 12 giveaways a year. Anyway, your views on that will be more than welcome. Right, so back to the real world. In tonight's nightcap, I get some more done on the safety valve for me steam boiler. That's the steam boiler up there. I'm going to get that back together. I need to get it running before the bad weather comes in. So there's a bit of stroke cutting, quite a bit of silver soldering. I'm sure you'll find that interesting. I've decided to make that outlet for the safety valve, which goes there, 3/8 BSP. The inlet's quarter, just it gets more steam away, and there will be 2 of these valves. I need to turn this down to the right size, put some 3/8 BSP threads onto it. I downloaded a chart this morning. 3/8 BSP, major external diameter 16.6 mil. That's 3/8 BSP parallel. And the OD on that 16.7. So we'll go for 16.7, 16.75. If I zero the caliper on that, put it on there, it gives a reading of 4.8, so I need to take 4.8 off there to bring it down to size. Right, so zero things up, 1 mil cut to start with. A little champaron just to give the dye a fighting chance. I'm not going to scroll cut this, I'm just going to put a dye down it. This is a split dye, so I'm going to set it on the slack side. I want it to dye up a little bit. With having the external thread, I can do anything I want with it really now, but I am going to put a seat into it or a taper into it. Happy with that. So I've wasted very little material. Probably more by luck and good management, I would think. Right, I'll leave that in the lathe and I'll drill the hole in the valve and I can finish that to be a nice fit. Make it a little bit deeper, not much. It hasn't got to be a really tight fit because you need a gap for the solar to pull into. Pretty good. Settle for that. Probably the most important rule with silver solar is cleanliness. It's got to be clean, really clean. So you clean it, then you clean it some more. You also need sufficient heat. This is the flux I'm using, Easy Flow Flux. I've had it for years. I've got some in here mixed up with a little bit of water and a ball bearing, but it's all separated. Even the solder needs to be clean. Fire brick to try and hold any heat. Piss off. Put it into the bin, that bastard. There it is. Right, so that one there really is a good fit. That one's a little bit of persuading to go in there. Just a rag on the hole, I think. Right, so that's in nice and straight. I did mill a couple of flats on there. So that one's soldered in. This one here is not quite so tight, so we'll do this one first. What I forgot to do was put flux around there before I put it in, but it's not the end of the world. Right, so this is the flux that's actually like a flux paste I made up. Put some of that in there. Right, plenty of flux. We'll also put some of this around this joint so it runs in when it gets hot. And I'm a messy bastard. I can't help it. Right. Right, time for heat, I think. Right, the heat source is actually propane, so we'll not be looking for heat. Should be plenty here. I'll turn the light out so you can get a better view of things. You try and get some heat into the big bit first. Getting pretty in here now. sure that's starting to run now. So you actually run this down into the joint, and it will be a really strong connection. I've got to know when to stop putting sugar in, and I think we're about there now. Right, so we're going to make sugar ring all the way around. Really slow this stuff is. Right, so that's one done. That'll be warm. Right, this one. So, how fluid this stuff is, really good, so well.